Dear students, today we shall start chapter number 2, Computer Hardware. In the previous class, we learned about the term hardware. Now, we will be studying about the hardware. Now, first of all, what is a hardware? All the physical equipment that are attached to a computer are called hardware. Hardware is the part of a computer which you can touch and feel, like keyboard, printer, monitor, mouse, etc. Now we will learn about the hardware components. Hardware includes various components like input devices, output devices, storage devices, and system unit. So first of all, we will be learning about input devices. A hardware component that allows you to enter data and instruction into a computer is called an input device. The types of input devices are keyboard, mouse, scanner, joystick, microphone, digital camera, and touch screen. Output devices. Any hardware component that shows you the final result is called an output device. Now, types of output devices. A monitor is an output device that is used to display text, pictures, and videos. The monitor looks like a television screen. Second output device is printer. A printer is an output device which is used to print text and graphics on a paper. The text or graphics we get on the paper are called hard copy or printout. Third is speakers. Speakers are output devices which are used to hear the sound output from a computer. You can listen to songs, speech, and other different sounds through the speakers. Now we will learn about the third component of hardware is storage devices. Any hardware component that is used to store data, instructions, and information for future use is called a storage device. Now we will learn about the different types of storage devices. First is hard disk. A hard disk is the main storage device in a computer that can store large amount of data at a very fast speed. It is also called a hard drive. Next is CD-ROM. CD-ROM stands for Compact Disk Read Only Memory. It is used to save data. It is circular in shape and can store up to 700 MB of data. Next is DVD. It stands for Digital Video Disc. It is similar to a CD in shape but has a larger storage capacity. We can store up to 4.7 GB of data. Next is pen drive. A pen drive is yet another storage device which is most commonly used. This device is used to transfer data from one device to another. Now we will learn about some of the other hardware components. See, apart from input, output, and storage devices, there are some other hardware components attached to the computer, which are system units. Which are system units. A system unit is a plastic case or metal case that stands near the monitor. Some system units are placed under the monitor also. A system unit is also called a computer case. You know, it is a CPU. It is a CPU. The features of system units are System units protects the internal electronic components from damage. The front of the computer case has an on and off switch, drives, and activity lights. The back of the computer case has parts where you can plug in other computer components like mouse, keyboard, monitor, etc. Now, components inside a system unit. Component inside a system unit includes motherboard, CPU, hard drive, and CD-ROM drive. Now, motherboard. Motherboard is also called a system board or main board. It contains a large number of tiny electronic components. See here, we have a central processing unit, that is CPU. CPU is sometimes also called processor or microprocessor. It is the brain of the computer which performs all the functions. We have disk drives inside the system unit are used to store data. These drives are hard disk drive and CD-ROM. So today we have completed chapter 2. Watch it.